Yo, so logbooks. You all should now have 4 logbooks in your account. Um, they are pretty self-explanatory. To edit the grading scale, you just edit the logbook, and then you can also, with some of the route climbing logbooks, you can add extra flags which help segregate your data a little bit more, which are worth exploring. Cool. So now you've got your logbook. What you want to do is add that to a particular workout. So say we've got outdoor routes volume here. We want to edit the workout, and then we want to add the particular logbook to that. I've already done that, but to add a widget, you just click that widget button and select the particular logbook widget that you want. Cool. Next thing to do is add that workout to your planner. So for instance, we did outdoor routes volume has the widget, and we will click on that. And now if the workout has a logbook widget, you will get this little entry form here. So every time you now log that particular workout, you can add your climbs that you did at the cliff that day, or if it's indoors on a moon board or whatever. So for example, let's go the box. That was a climb I tried today. I had 3 attempts and I felt fitter, like so. Cool. If I want to do, say, another particular, I can quickly log that by using the quick action button. I can edit it, and you'll see there's also ability to create a project goal, which if you click that, look, you've now created a project behind the scenes, and I'll show you that in 2 seconds. So we'll just complete that guy. So if we go now to the goals, you'll see that I have a new goal called the box. I can write beta about the climb, and then I'm starting to see a log of all the attempts and works and how often I've been trying it. That's extremely powerful. We're super psyched about that, and you just keep running beta here. You can add videos and so forth, link notes, link milestones and more workouts to this, so it gets a very mind mappy, very powerful. And so you're probably thinking, okay, where do I see my metrics of the logbook? Metrics, logbook here. And you'll see I haven't got much data here. That's because this setting is up here. So if I go, okay, 306 photos, this is on the boulders, here's the routes. And then now I'll see all my routes that I've logged. That's pretty cool. And you're like, what about, I've got existing data. Well, something that we prepared earlier. So if in your account section, settings account, you have this new settings called import data. Down the bottom, logbook entries. The logbook entries need to be in a particular, so it needs to be in a CSV format. There's information about all that here, and what happens when it gets imported. It gets imported as a workout, so you've got to associate these the climbs to a workout, so outdoor routes volume, for example, and that'll be backdated. If you have any issues with this, just fire us an email, but there's an example CSV file format, and you could use, say, ChatGPT to help you format your existing data pretty quickly. So we go to the import data tab. This is my data from a long time ago. It's a bit of a preview. Then we go next. All going well. It should just line up to these particular fields. You can drag them around. All mine's pretty good. Okay, so I've got 225 climbs to import. I want to put them in the route logbook, and I want to associate them with the outdoor routes volume workout like so. And I'm going to submit. Cool. Successfully imported entries to my chosen workout. And so if I go back to my logbook now and I toggle on the all time, this is all my data, which is really cool. Attempts is something I haven't logged in the past. I've just been doing that. And repeats as well, just because that's the way with external systems I never did that, but will be now. So yeah, this is all my entries. Let's go I'll go to the last page. So my first log is my first 29, which is called Tyranny, and I did that in 2001. So pretty cool. Yeah, hope you like it. We think it's pretty powerful. Let us know your feedback. Cheers.